Unlocking the meaning of quick as a cricket. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a fun and vivid expression, quick as a cricket. This phrase is not just about speed but is also a great example of how English uses animal characteristics to describe human behaviors or qualities. So, if you're ready to add another interesting expression to your English repertoire, let's jump right in. Quick as a cricket is a simile, a figure of speech that compares two different things using the words as or like. This phrase specifically compares someone's speed or agility to that of a cricket, suggesting they are very fast or nimble. Crickets, known for their sudden and quick movements, serve as a perfect metaphor for describing someone who can move or react swiftly. English is rich with similes that use animal characteristics to describe people. Examples include busy as a bee, for someone who is always working hard, or blind as a bat, for someone with poor vision. These expressions are not only vivid and descriptive but also add a playful element to language, making conversations more engaging and colorful. To use quick as a cricket effectively in conversation or writing, you'll want to apply it to situations where speed and agility are noteworthy. For instance, when talking about an athlete, in the last game, the point guard was quick as a cricket, dodging past defenders and scoring effortlessly. Describing a friend's mental agility, ask her anything about history. She's quick as a cricket with facts and dates. Quick as a cricket is more than just an expression about speed. It's a testament to the playful and imaginative aspects of the English language. By using such vivid similes, we can make our conversations more engaging and descriptive. We hope this video has illuminated another fun facet of English for you. Keep practicing, and soon, you'll be quick as a cricket in finding the perfect expression for any situation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.